Did you ever hear of a company that turns digital magic internet money into Wall Street approved investments? Enter GREYSCALE Investments, the financial alchemist of the crypto world. If you've been scratching your head wondering how institutional investors are getting exposure to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies without dealing with digital wallets or private keys, you're in for a treat. In this video we're pulling back the curtain of GREYSCALE, the largest digital currency asset manager in the world. Whether you're a crypto novice or a seasoned investor, understanding GREYSCALE could be your key to unlocking a whole new dimension of the cryptocurrency market. Ready to demystify one of the most talked about players in the crypto investment space? Let's dive right in. GREYSCALE Investments was founded in 2013 and quickly established itself as a pioneer in the cryptocurrency asset management. At the time, crypto was still largely seen as a niche market, and many traditional investors were hesitant to jump in due to concerns of volatility, security and regulations. GREYSCALE changed it by offering cryptocurrency investments in the form of regulated, publicly traded securities. Their first product, the GREYSCALE Bitcoin Trust, GTBC, allowed institutionals and retail investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without needing to actually buy or store the cryptocurrencies themselves. This simply yet effective solution bridged the gap between digital assets and traditional finance, capitulating GREYSCALE to the forefront of the cryptocurrency investment space. As the market matured, so did GREYSCALE. Today, they manage over a dozen digital assets trusts, offering exposures to cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, ALTCOIN and now XRP, providing investors a trusted and secure way to access the world of crypto without directly handling digital assets. So what's GREYSCALE up to now? Well, the firm is constantly expanding its offering and playing a critical role in shaping the institutional adoption of cryptocurrency. One of the biggest recent developments for GREYSCALE was the launch of the XRP Trust on September 12, 2024, following Ripple's legal victory against the SEC. This move signaled renewed confidence in XRP as digital assets and could even open the doors for potential spot XRP ETF in the US. Something the crypto world has been anticipating for years. But GREYSCALE isn't stopping there. In August 2024, they introduced two more trusts, the BitSensor Trust, which focused on decentralized artificial intelligence, and the SUE Trust, geared towards blockchain infrastructure. By diversifying its portfolio in this way, GREYSCALE is not only growing its business, but also staying ahead of market trends, making sure they remain relevant as new technologies emerge. Now you may be wondering, how does GREYSCALE make money? The company earns fees for managing these investment trusts. These management fees range from 2 to 3%, and the assets under the management grows, so do the revenues. The firm's ability to generate constant cash flows comes from its deep ties to institutional investors who are eager to gain exposure to crypto assets in structured, regulated manner. So let's discuss GREYSCALE's Bitcoin Trust GTBC for a little bit. One of the most well-known products under GREYSCALE's umbrella is the GREYSCALE Bitcoin Trust, often referred to by its ticker symbol GTBC. The GREYSCALE Bitcoin Trust allows investors to trade shares in the security that mirrors the value of Bitcoin, providing exposure to the cryptocurrency without the need to handle it directly. GTBC is a publicly traded on-over-the-counter market. As of mid-September 2024, shares were trading around $94. GTBC's significance goes beyond just providing access to Bitcoin. It was one of the first financial instruments that gave institutional investors a way to get involved in the burgeoning digital asset market. Today, GTBC remains a popular investment tool, especially as Bitcoin continues to gain mainstream recognition and adoption. While the trust has its shares of fluctuations due to the inherent volatility of Bitcoin, many investors view it as a long-term asset that could appreciate as the world moves toward a broader acceptance of cryptocurrencies. So what would the future hold for GREYSCALE? Looking ahead, what can we expect from GREYSCALE? The company is clearly focused on innovation and diversification. With the launch of new trusts like the XRP Trust and the BitSensor Trust, it's evident that GREYSCALE is preparing for the next wave of digital transformation, not just in the cryptocurrency, but in the decentralized technologies like AI and blockchain infrastructure. One key area of focus is the potential approval of more spot ETFs in the US market. If this happens, it could dramatically increase institutional participation in cryptocurrencies, with Grayscale positions to be at the forefront of that shift. This will not only boost liquidity for the product, but also enhance their credibility in traditional finance circles. Additionally, regulated clarity around cryptocurrencies, both in the US and globally, will play a significant role in shaping Grayscale's future. As the regulatory environment evolves, Grayscale's ability to adapt and innovate will be crucial in maintaining its leadership position. Grayscale has come a long way from its early days as a pioneer in the cryptocurrency asset management. Today, the company is a major force in the market, offering diverse products and pushing for greater institutional adoption of digital assets. With recent developments like the launch of the XRP Trust and new ventures into decentralized AI, Grayscale is not just reaching to the market trends, they are helping shaping them. As we look to the future, Grayscale's role in bridging traditional finance and the crypto world will be more important than ever. So there you have it. That is all you need to know about this company. You now have a much better idea of this company before you start making any investment decisions. If you want to learn more or help us spread these videos, please drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. That will be so much appreciated. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you in the next one.